Hello, loves. I have a fun craft idea for Dollar Tree notepads. I was inspired by this idea in Pinterest and thought these would be a perfect gift. So let's get started. So here are the notepads from Dollar Tree. They come in several colors and they're thick with plenty of note paper. I decided to do a few for the spring in these gorgeous 6x6 pattern paper by Flirty Floral and this neutral paper by DCWV. Here are I've already completed. Aren't they gorgeous? Just perfect for some gift giving. So I thought I would try this for the spring just to give them a try out. So if they go well, I'm thinking about using this as stocking stuffers for this year Christmas holiday. They're just too adorable. Now here are the materials you need to get started for this tutorial. This is so simple. All you need is the Dollar Tree Jot sticky note, pattern paper, 110-pound cardstock or whatever this color you like. Now you can use a lesser pound cardstock, but here's a tip. The stronger the paper, the better your cover will hold up. A ruler, paper trimmer, scoreboard, score tape, double-sided tape, and embellishment to decorate your cover. So the first thing I like to do is prepare my cuts for my paper projects. So the first cut would be for the base cover. We would need one cut at 6 7/8 by 5 1/8. Then we'll measure the back of the notepad and transfer those measurements to our leftover cardstock. Now on the notepad, it would say that the measurements is 3 by 5 inch, but that is not always true. So always measure the back of your note to get precise measurements. Once you get that measurement, then you're going to cut one for the notepad backing to strengthen it at 2 5/8 by 4 7/8. Now we're going to cut 2 cover mats for the front and the back. I'm using the neutral paper from DCWV, and the cuts are 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. So now we're going to put our cuts aside and start scoring our base cover. So grab the cardstock that's 6 7/8 by 5 1/8 piece. On the scoreboard at the 6 7/8 side, you're going to score the first line at 3 1/8. And now you're going to score the second line at 3 3/4. Once you did that, you can put the scoreboard away. Using the bone folder, burnish both creases. Once you're done, that's it. There you have it. The cover is done. Pretty simple. So this first step into decorating our note cover is applying the mat. We are going to grab the first mat that we cut at 2 3/4 by 4 3/4. Add double-sided tape on the back and carefully apply the mat evenly. Add the second cover mat at 2 3/4 by 4 3/4 for the back side of the note cover. Apply double-sided tape and apply the mat evenly to the note cover. Now that you have the basic decorating for your notepad cover, the rest of the decoration depends on your creativity. For me, I have chosen certain embellishments, the Tim Holtz floral die cuts, a white tag, and some black ribbon. To save time, I've already started my tag decorations. What I've done is basically took the die cut and taped it to the front of the tag, then add a black ribbon detail. Now I'll be completing the cover with the rest of my embellishments. The last step is applying the cardstock, the leftover cardstock that we cut, to the notepad. We're going to take the leftover piece of cardstock that we cut at 2 5/8 by 4 7/8, and we're going to apply double-sided tape liberally on the cardstock. Apply the cardstock to the back of the notepad. This would add strength to the notepad, and then burnish the glue to the cardstock using your bone folder. Apply another liberal amount of tape to the outside of the cardstock and carefully apply to the inside of the cover. Be careful not to cover the crease lines. So now that I have my 3 covers for my notepads, I love it. I am in love with this, and this can be quite addictive. I will be making a lot of these for Christmas stocking stuffers for my friends and family. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this. This is the first video in my Craft with Bree. Give me a comment below and let me know how you like it. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!